Okay, today I'm making some earrings. And I've got these little teeny-tiny bead caps. And since they're so little and I had to really hunt for the hole, I've already got them on there. Because well, you could have used the laugh probably. I'm going to put an orange crystal on. And then I'm going to put a spacer. And I'm going to put the little dumbbell-like thing on. I don't know what it is. I said it's a dog bone earlier. I don't know. It's pretty. And then we're just going to turn it down like that. Go around. Hopefully I'm in screen. Up. Might help if I grab the right tool. Need to get longer headpins to hold it with something else. Okay. So yeah, I just can't get it. Can't catch it. If I didn't, after I get done, I'll look at it and try to tighten it up a little bit. I need some reading glasses or an optivisor. I've got that little gold one on the bottom there. What I need is an ear wire about that long, or not ear wire, but a head pin about that long. See if it was longer, I could just do it with my thumb. But I notice I say okay a lot. I don't know why. Oh gosh. Telling myself, okay, I got that done. guess that's how my life is. One crisis after another. Well, not really crisis, but there's been a lot going on this year. Well, the past 2 years. Husband had to have major surgery about 2 years ago, and yeah, he's got some things going on. So we've been through a lot here lately. Okay, there's our earrings for today, and hope you enjoyed this short little video. I hope to see you again next time. Until then, y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.